Google Pixel 8, a smartphone redefined. Welcome to Kidscastel. If you're hunting for a smartphone that blends cutting-edge technology with effortless usability, the Google Pixel 8 might just be the answer. Its innovative camera, reliable 24-hour battery, and robust security features set a new benchmark in smartphone design. Get ready to up your photography game. The Pixel 8's advanced camera system features Google's AI-powered image processing, macro focus for intricate details, and super res zoom for sharp close-ups. Whether it's portraits, low-light shots, or nature photography, this device ensures your moments are captured with precision and clarity. Equipped with the Tensor G3 chip, this smartphone redefines intelligence. Fix photos, screen calls, and even translate languages seamlessly with Google AI. It's not just a phone, it's a personal assistant that adapts to your needs, making day-to-day tasks faster and more intuitive. Say goodbye to battery anxiety. The Pixel 8's adaptive battery lasts over 24 hours, or up to 72 hours with Extreme Battery Saver. With its sleek hazel design, 6.2-inch Actua display, and 120 Hz refresh rate, the Pixel 8 is as stylish as it is functional. Your privacy matters. With the Titan M2 security chip and ongoing updates for 7 years, the Pixel 8 ensures your data stays protected. Added safety features like emergency notifications make it a smartphone designed with your peace of mind in mind. Ready to explore the possibilities that come with owning the Google Pixel 8? Click the product review link in the description for our detailed breakdown and first-hand experiences with this innovative device. Don't just watch, engage, learn, and redefine your tech experience today.